Kia ora and welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to submit an online enrolment application via Te Ara, the Te Wānanga Raukawa student portal. Before starting this process, please ensure you set aside 10 to 15 minutes to submit your online enrolment application. Before submitting an enrolment application, you need to create a Te Ara account. If you have a Te Ara account but have forgotten your password, you will need to reset it. There are video tutorials on how to do this. Check out our website. Step 1. Search up wānanga.com in your chosen web browser. This will open the Te Wānanga o Raukawa website. Step 2. Click on Te Ara. Step 3. Click on the Sign In button. Step 4. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. Please remember that they are case sensitive. Step 5. Click on My Enrolment Applications. Step 6. Click on Start New Enrolment. Step 7. Fill out the questions on page 1. If you are wanting to enrol in a Poutuarongo or Bachelor program but have not yet completed the first year or the heke, please ensure that you select heke as the level of study you are wishing to enrol in. If you don't have enough time to fill out the entire application in one go, kei te pai. If you complete the page that you are on and click Save and Next, your progress will be saved and you can pick up where you left off later. Step 8. As part of the enrolment process, our academic staff will call you and complete an academic kōrero. This is to ensure you are fully aware of the program content and what it entails. Please advise us of when the best time to contact you is. Step 9. Please ensure that your personal details are correct before continuing to the next page. Step 10. Fill out the questions on page 4. Please ensure that you provide us with an active phone number and email that you check regularly. Step 11. Fill out all the questions on page 5. Kei te pai, no worries if you don't know your NSN number. Step 12. Please let us know how you found out about us and why you have chosen to study at Te Wānanga o Raukawa. There are no wrong answers. Step 13. Please advise on how your student fees are going to be covered. If you or your workplace is going to cover your fees, please select direct credit. Step 14. As part of the enrolment process, we require certain documents depending on the course you are enrolling into. There will be a tick next to the documents that you need to provide. If you are unsure about any of the documents that we require, please read the information on the right-hand side of the page. We require a copy of verified ID no matter what course you enroll into. If your name has changed from what is on your ID, you will also need to provide evidence of this, such as a marriage certificate. Please check out the kōrero on the right-hand side of the page for information about getting your ID verified. Your iwi and hapu letter of support shows us who you will talk to about your iwi and hapu papers. These papers contain both research and interview elements, so it's important that you have someone you can talk to. This can be a whānau member or someone from your iwi and or hapu. There are templates of some of the documents we require below. Please download as needed. Step 15. Once you have filled in all the required documents and they are ready to be sent in, select Add Files and choose Files. Locate where you have saved your files on your computer, select them, click Open, and then click Add Files. Step 16. Please ensure you read all the information on the page before ticking that you have read and accepted the declaration. Ka pai, you have now submitted an enrolment application. You will receive an email saying that you have submitted an application. Please note, this does not mean you are enrolled. You will continue to receive emails from Te Tomonga as your application progresses.